Why were dinosaurs so gigantic? Their size was unmatched in the animal kingdom. Unique anatomy and rapid reproduction, especially in sauropods, let them grow far larger than any land mammal. Unlike reptiles with a sprawling gait, dinosaurs had an upright pillar-like stance with their legs directly under their bodies, which provided much better support for a large body. Some dinosaurs also had hollow bones filled with air sacs, much like modern birds. This made their skeletons lighter, yet still strong, meaning they weighed less for their size than a comparable mammal. Unique respiratory system sauropods and other dinosaurs had a highly efficient, bird-like respiratory system with air sacs that extended into the bones. This unidirectional airflow supplied their bodies with a constant stream of fresh, oxygenated air. This allowed them to meet the high metabolic demands of their massive size and avoid overheating. Digestive efficiency. Sauropods were bulk feeders that did not chew their food, allowing them to rapidly consume large quantities of plants. This vegetation was instead broken down by fermentation in their enormous guts, which could extract nutrients from even tough, fibrous plants. Because larger guts allow for longer digestion times, their immense size made their digestion more efficient. Environmental and reproductive factors. Plant abundance. The Mesozoic era had a warmer climate and high levels of atmospheric carbon dioxide, leading to an abundance of plant life. This provided a plentiful food supply for herbivores to grow to gigantic sizes. The evolution of long necks also gave sauropods access to new food sources, allowing them to forage from a wide area without moving their massive bodies. Rapid growth from eggs. Sauropods laid many small eggs rather than giving birth to live young, which required far less energy investment from the parent. Small hatchlings were vulnerable to predation, but they grew extremely quickly, reaching reproductive size and the protective benefits of their large body mass within a few decades. This strategy contrasts with large mammals, which invest heavily in a few live births and have much longer gestation periods. Predator-prey arms race. Becoming larger provided defense from predators. This created an evolutionary feedback loop in which large herbivores drove predators to also grow larger, and so on. Fully grown sauropods likely had few predators to fear, with their size alone serving as a deterrent. It's important to note that gigantism was not a single isolated event. Paleontologists have found that sauropods evolved their uniquely enormous sizes on at least 36 separate occasions, suggesting that this suite of features repeatedly enabled them to reach epic proportions throughout their long evolutionary history.